This 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, a bonus room, and 2-car garage is located in the small community of Glenn Meadows, just minutes from the beach in Surfside Beach, also known as the Family Beach. Great open floor plan, cathedral ceilings, large bedrooms with walk-in closets in each, and a huge bonus room. The master bedroom is on the main level, includes a ceiling fan, and walk-in closet. The living room is open, with lots of natural sunlight, with a cathedral ceiling and a ceiling fan. The kitchen appliances convey, including range, dishwasher, garbage disposal, refrigerator, microwave, and breakfast bar. Exterior features include patio, fencing, and above-ground pool. Very low homeowners fees, only $38 monthly.